Good morning. I, Sanjeev Kumar, today present Chinnamaya Uvacha, collection of quotes. Some important quotes. Action are the louder. Action are the louder expression of thought. The quality of thought is ordered by the nature of our inner belief and faith. Act efficiently whenever you work. The result of action depends upon the very quality of the action. Talk less, think more, act wisely. The action of today become the destiny of tomorrow. The qualities of activities cannot be raised unless we raise the very texture of our thoughts and the depth of our understanding. The real men of achievement are people who have the heroism to feel to fuel more and more enthusiasm in their work when they face more and more difficulties. When they face more and more difficulties. Do the best and leave the rest. The source of all bliss is the dedicated performance of duty. Character is formed from the repeated choice of thoughts and action. Make the right choice. We shall have a firm and noble character. Indeed, criticism is like a boundless sea. Once you get into it, you can hardly get out of it. If you want to prove God, improve yourself. That is the only method. The action of today becomes the destiny of tomorrow. If, after all our efforts, the vasanas are not totally exhausted, then the balance that remains to trouble us is called destiny. Man can change his destiny not by wishing for it, but by working for it. In life, it has always been observed that to solve a problem is to rise above it. Love is the heart of religions, the theme of all classical works of art and literature, the song of all devotees. Scientists know only what love does, not what love is. Love is to human hearts what the sun is to flowers. Faults become thick when love is thin. When I sleep outside, I fall. When I sleep inside, I rise. Nature specializes in a kind of paradox. Nature destroys, and her destructions are always constructive destructions. The bud is destroyed when the flower blooms, and the flower fades when the fruit emerges, and the fruit decays when seeds are scattered. Seeds decay when plants sprout. This process of constructive destruction is Shiva, the annihilator. It is the action with desire that produce samsara. Desire, even without action, causes samsara. Self analysis and introspection are the very beginnings of all philosophical inquiries into self perfection. Change of vision is the remedy given by all masters of truth who have gained the vision. Therefore, keep smiling. All falls are a rise in total. Detachment from things and emotions, thoughts and happenings can come only a result of constant practice. It will not happen overnight. Ruthless discrimination is the secret of success. Even fasting for a day in the name of the Lord, in the name of the Lord is tapas. Facing insult and honor alike is tapas. To love and serve all is also tapas. To one who is a true seeker, there are no eyes and ears for applause or insults. Last but not least, from time to time, take a close and honest look at yourself. It pays. Thank you.